Nature Study in Towns. Alison Ross, 1959, front cover. This book is written especially for children attending primary schools in towns. The start of the book includes a note for teachers. One of the chief purposes of the book is to encourage children to want to look and to listen and to find out for themselves. Introduction. People who think there is not much wildlife to watch and find out about in towns are people whose eyes are not very wide open. The book encourages the child to study nature, be observant, make notes, and look for patterns where and when nature is spotted. It also helpfully explains that there will be words in the book that are unfamiliar, but that the student can look up these words at the back of the book, and where the student might find more information once their curiosity is piqued. Page 1. The page on autumn fruits places nature in the school calendar. Mentioning what the child might see on their way to school in September. It explains about parts of nature that would be familiar to a child. The conker from a horse chestnut tree, often collected and used to play playground games with in the autumn, is explained as being a seed that will grow into a large tree. Page 15. This page recommends the close observation of leaves, encouraging the child to look at the leaf's structure and how leaves can be very different from each other. The encouragement to make up-close, detailed observations and noting differences teaches a child to stop and look carefully at even a commonly found thing like a leaf. Page 25 and 41. Town birds and things to do. Subsequent pages encourage the child to look, listen, and gives things to do. The author, Alison Ross, was inspired to write this book whilst receiving teacher training at the Froebel Educational Institute. Page 57. Garden birds. Froebel believed that children should experience all aspects of nature, not just plants and animals, and the best way to do this was to play outdoors. Through real-life experiences, children learn about the interrelationship of all living things. This helps them to think about the bigger questions of the environment, sustainability, and climate change.